The Drake Hotel, Plymouth. The Hoe is just up in that direction.
Now, I arrived on a very sunny day, so I thought I'd just have a quick walk up to the Hoe, and this is literally a 2-minute stroll from the hotel itself. As you can see in the footage there, looking pretty good today. Now, going back to the hotel, as I entered the reception, I was greeted by a very nice young lady who explained the check-in process to me, and also that I had breakfast included, which I didn't actually realise. Now, it's a continental breakfast. You just go in, grab a seat, help yourself, but she did give me a card to fill in for my cooked breakfast, and you had to give a time you'd be there. I said between 8 and 9, and I went for the sausage, egg and bacon. We'll have a look at that later on after we look at the room.
Okay, so we're in room 6 at the Drake Hotel, a single, compact and bijou is the word I guess you'd have, but nice enough. Quite nicely decorated there. You've got your desk, not a bad TV, kettle, a couple of USB sockets as well, that's always handy. Your teas, your coffees and biscuits. You have a storage cupboard here with a hairdryer, and you've got your wash basin, door to I don't know where, out there, and then you have your shower. Okay, just a quick look at this shower. Even though it was small and pretty compact with the 2 heads, it's really powerful. Can't remember which one I had on last now. Whoa, well, actually I won't turn it on now because I'm going to get wet, but yeah, spent a long time in there this morning, really good, so definitely recommend the shower in this one. And your toilet. And all this for £60, including breakfast in Plymouth. So we'll take a look at the breakfast. You basically just go into the dining area, and I say that was quite nicely designed as well, quite nice feel to it. Sit down anywhere you like and then help yourself to the continental breakfast. There's a bit of choice there, some yogurt, some fruits, juice was really nice, cereals and things like that. And then, as I mentioned, I had to fill in a card with what I wanted for the ingredients for the full English. I went for the sausage, the egg and the bacon. Didn't want too much, but there were a lot of other choices there. And basically I said I like mine between 8 and 9, and as the lady's coming in, she takes your room number and then they deliver the breakfast to your table. And mine was really nice, really enjoyed it. Eggs cooked beautifully and set me up really good for the day. Quite a nice little handbook they give you as well, or left in the room, just detailing a little bit about the property itself. Hotel policy, towels, what you need to do, Wi-Fi, smart TVs. That's a pain. It says smart TV. Smart TV doesn't actually work, which is quite annoying. It's not connected to the internet, so that is a bit of a pain. And so on. So to sum up, the Drake Hotel, thought it was really great for the price. It's more like a bed and breakfast, I would sort of said, rather than a hotel. Obviously very sort of individually family run, and yeah, I loved it. It was great. Breakfast was really nice, location was really great, room was quiet, comfortable, bed was soft. Really enjoyed it, and I would definitely recommend staying there. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.